For by manufacturer's direct partner Substrate Technology and seasoned surface preparation expert Josh Jones, to say it's just another day at the office, well, that can mean just about doing anything, just about anywhere. Today, Josh is helping out a neighbor that didn't know where to turn after experiencing water damage in his home. The neighbor called his insurance company about a flood claim with the hope and expectation the damage would be restored as though it had never occurred. Per the insurance company's recommendation, a restoration contractor was employed to restore the surface. Although his work was done quick and clean, the homeowner was left wondering what to do about the thinset the restoration contractor was unable or perhaps incapable of removing. The contractor cleaned the floor of any mold, but hardly left it in a condition that was ready to receive a new floor covering. Most floor covering installers only install. They're not trained or equipped to prepare a surface to receive a new covering. When his neighbor asked Josh and STI to help, we couldn't have been more pleased to have a real-world job with a real-world problem that needed a real-world solution. Pulling from the extensive equipment line of STI products, Josh utilized a PrepMaster 220-volt junior grinder in combination with a RUAC HEPA dust collector. In tandem, the pair worked terrific to remove the old thinset to prepare the floor for its new ceramic tile installation in a safe and dust-free environment. As you see in this video, the ease of mobility and maneuverability of the equipment allowed the crew of two to easily complete the project in an efficient and safe manner. While STI manufactures a full range of grinders, sometimes the best solution is owning the right size machine with the right power for the right job. In this situation, the PrepMaster Junior fit the bill. As Josh and his team completed the thinset removal, the curious homeowner asked, "Why didn't the restoration contractor do this work? It's not like, well, with no offense, it looked complicated or difficult." We could only shrug our shoulders and reply, "No offense taken. This is easy work if you own the right equipment." If you're a contractor focusing in any facet of surface preparation, why limit yourself to only a single aspect of our industry? Why not expand your range of services by owning the right equipment? You could open the doors to a multitude of opportunities: restoration, preparation, garage floors, rehabilitation, demolition, and the list only goes on. At BMD and STI, we believe knowledge and experience is best used when shared with others. We invite you to reach out with questions or schedule an online product demonstration. To discover how you can own any of the equipment highlighted in this video, or any other BMD product, or perhaps you have a technical or training question, please feel free to reach out to your BMD representative at the listed email address or phone number. If you enjoyed this video and would like to be notified when future tutorial videos are posted, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.